Okay, guys, here's our possible final layout. The window ends right here, and this is where we have the rack for merchandise, the beanies and hats, smaller items. So the window right behind here. These are 30 inches wide. From the window to the door is 88, which is represented here. This desk is set in about a foot. We could move it closer to the door, so if somebody's standing here, they're not so close. This is painted white. Drawer stack on the right, the panel on the front, and the side here. Let me know if you're doing a solid surface countertop on that. This is bid to have 3/4 inch plywood deck, and you could put a a stone or granite top on there with all the use that it's going to get. However, here this is bid with a wood top, not as much use. All these doors are slab. The grain is vertical. On the shelves, the grain's horizontal. On this top, the grain's horizontal. Locks on these doors, and here, these cabs are 18 tall. They are attached to the floor. Enough hanging space in between these now. Just a matte black oval closet rod under these L-shaped shelves. And then these vertical pieces are 1 inch by 1 inch square tubing painted black. In the back of these cabinets, we'll have the vertical panel on the back to be finished. So we have 12 inches in between here, and then to double check, if we're from the bottom to the top of the cab is 39 3/4. Mind you, we're going to lose a little bit of space on the bottom here for the countertop. And then we've got the closet rod that's going to come down 1.5 inches. But this will work for the hoodies. Okay. Let me know what you think. Thanks, guys.